All right, welcome to the craziness. Well, it's crazy because I've probably spent 20, 25 hours at this point getting the master algorithm for estimating and quoting home cleaning jobs. Now, the reason I'm spending so much time on this is the entire business is based off of being able to accurately estimate how many man hours it's going to take to do any kind of cleaning, whether it's one time, weekly, bi-weekly, quad weekly cleaning on the home property. So if you can nail this within just a couple of percentage points, what that means is you're going to be able to just multiply that by an hourly rate and therefore not be charging the customer too much and therefore landing as many jobs as possible because you're not overcharging, but also making sure that you're getting a profit on each job that you do. So this is the foundation of the entire business. And so it started off here. Let me pull you in here. It started off here. So this is the algorithm notes that I've kind of just got everything down on. Just this took probably 15 hours just to get everything input here, and did a lot of research across the industry, went online, used ChatGPT, to pull sources on what other people are charging, figuring out the best way to actually mathematically calculate how to quote these things. And then went in and created a JavaScript file here where it basically takes all of those variables, all of the different things that go into a cleaning, and calculate them in an algorithm, and it basically output right down here of how much each cleaning is going to charge. And so this is really the foundation of everything moving forward. So super excited about this. The only thing that I need to worry about now is up here at the top of the file, I have these different variables for how my rates actually work. So, how much is my base rate per square footage? And then how much do I charge for different add-ons, for different cleaning add-ons? This is only as accurate as it is able to tell me how long each cleaning is going to take. This is not necessarily fundamentally a pricing tool. It's more fundamentally getting the amount of minutes that it's going to take to clean it and then multiplying that by an hourly rate to give me the price. But the real beauty of this is that it's the logical underpinning of how long is it going to take to do a cleaning of any property. And we can benchmark against that. And so we can run this as best as we know, collect that data, and then feed it back into the algorithm. So let's say that this is saying that it's going to take, 2 people, 2 hours, so 4 man hours, and it ends up taking 5 hours. Well, I'm able to take that data, feed it back in, and see why were we not collecting what we needed to collect? Why was the estimate low? And so we take that, feed it back in, and we make sure that we're not losing money on the next one, right? And by just adjusting and pivoting and making sure that everything is exactly where it needs to be as far as estimating how long these things actually take, we're just going to get better and better. So super excited about this. Lots of applications down the road. I could actually turn this into a SaaS product, like a widget that you can that any home cleaner could use on their website as a instant quote tool. I could use this on my website down the road once I get these numbers dialed in to have people give themselves a quote on my website, and then we just go and fulfill. So lots of opportunities here. I really think that this is time well invested up front, and excited to see how this helps us get more business, better clients, better customers, and provide as much value as we can. So thank you for tuning in to this week's edition of Nerd Hour. All right, see ya.